It's always a tough moment when you are first talking to new parents, talking about this new baby that's born, and you're telling them that they may need a surgery next week. But then to see them do well and to be taking care of patients who have been through that in their past and are these, again, beautiful, thriving young children, yeah, it's very gratifying in that way. I'm Stephen Healan. I am an adult congenital and pediatric cardiologist at Providence. My goals are for my patients to live really full lives and be active, to have families if they want to have families, and to see their kids grow up, and to kind of let us worry about their congenital heart disease, and so that they don't have to spend their time doing that. Every time I pick up a new patient, I think about how exciting it is that I get to watch them grow, and that I can hopefully be someone that helps them live the life that they want to be able to live.